In the whirlwind of today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to find ourselves swept away by the waves of negativity that often crash into our lives. Whether these waves come in the form of caustic comments, unprovoked disputes, or the pervasive presence of criticism, they can create familial challenges and threaten our emotional well-being. Yet, the critical aspect of navigating these turbulent waters is not merely the negativity itself, it's our response to it. Imagine for a moment what it would feel like to preserve your inner tranquility, regardless of the chaos surrounding you. In this discourse, we will delve deeper into actionable strategies for managing interactions with negative individuals, drawing upon the timeless teachings of Buddhism. Our goal is to transform these encounters into opportunities for profound personal growth and inner peace. Identifying the roots of negativity. Understanding the origins of negativity is crucial for maintaining your peace. Often, we must recognize that such behavior stems from a place far removed from our actions. When someone lashes out, whether through anger or criticism, their outburst is usually a reflection of their own internal struggles. This idea resonates deeply within Buddhist philosophy, which teaches that suffering arises from ignorance, attachment, and the unending desire for something different. Negative behavior often mirrors personal turmoil, rooted in feelings like envy, insecurity, or unresolved anger. It's essential to remember, just because their negativity is aimed at you, it does not have to define you. When faced with such negativity, remind yourself that this reflects their struggles, not yours. Rather than reacting in a state of emotional upheaval, adopt an observational stance. Envision their comments as waves in the ocean, temporary disturbances that will ultimately recede. This visualization can reinforce your understanding that their negativity doesn't dictate your emotional landscape. You are the captain of your ship, steering through the storm with poise and purpose. The insightful fable of the two monks. The age-old fable of the two monks presents a powerful lesson in letting go of burdens. As the story goes, two monks encountered a woman in need of assistance to cross a river. The older monk, moved by compassion, carried her across and continued his journey. Later, the younger monk, visibly distressed, questioned, "Why did you help her?" "Monks should not touch women." The older monk's response was brimming with wisdom. "I set her down hours ago. Why are you still carrying her?" This narrative elegantly illuminates a fundamental truth: many of us cling to negative experiences long after they transpire. If you catch yourself ruminating on a disparaging remark, you mirror the younger monk, burdened by what you should have already released. Letting go of negativity is an exercise in non-attachment. Envision those negative comments as leaves drifting past on a gentle stream, acknowledged yet not retained. Your inner peace is precious. It should not be surrendered as collateral for others' transient discontent. Embracing compassion instead of retaliation. Upon encountering negativity, our instinctual reaction may be to fight back or retaliate. However, Buddhism offers a radically transformative approach: compassion. Engaging in the practice of metta, or loving-kindness meditation, allows us to extend goodwill not just to friends but also to those who challenge us. Although the act of expressing kindness towards those who have wronged us can be daunting, it liberates us from the chains of resentment and victimhood. Consider a pragmatic approach to this warm-hearted meditation. Find a quiet moment, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and quietly repeat the phrases: "May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. May you find peace." This practice may feel unnatural at first, especially towards those who have hurt you, but it's essential to realize that showing compassion doesn't excuse their behavior, you are rising above it. Over time, this practice can fortify your sense of inner peace, making you resilient to the harsh winds of negativity. Furthermore, emotional reactions, those impulsive responses driven by hurt or anger, rarely contribute to lasting tranquility. Instead, they can allow negativity to seize undue power over your emotional realm. Reflect on the story of a wise monk who was insulted in a bustling marketplace. Rather than reacting in anger, he smiled and walked on. A disciple later asked him about his silence. The monk delivered a pointed analogy: if a dog barks at you, do you bark back? This powerful narrative underscores a vital truth: engaging with negativity often reduces us to its level. Sometimes, silence becomes our most potent response, embodying a conscious choice to safeguard our peace. Cultivating equanimity. The cultivation of equanimity is an invaluable resource when faced with provocation. A simple pause to take a deep breath can transform your response in a significant way. If a reply is necessary, choose your words thoughtfully and intentionally. Remember that sometimes the most effective response is silence. Life is characterized by ceaseless change. Opinions and emotions are as mutable as the wind. If your happiness depends on external validation, you risk perpetual vulnerability to others' moods and criticisms. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of equanimity, a serene state of mind in which neither praise nor criticism disrupts your internal harmony. Visualize yourself as a steadfast mountain, unmoved by the swirling storms of negativity that whip around you. By embracing this perspective, you create a sanctuary within yourself. No unkind word or insult can unsettle your peace. A famous teaching from the life of the Buddha illustrates this beautifully. When a man approached him, anger radiating from his every word as he hurled insults, the Buddha remained calm. When asked why he did not respond, he posed a profound question: if someone offers you a gift that you choose not to accept, to whom does that gift belong? Upon the man's reply, to the giver, the Buddha gently clarified, that I do not accept your anger, it remains yours. This simple yet powerful exchange encapsulates the heart of managing negativity. It can only take root within you if you allow it. Reframing negative encounters as opportunities for growth. As you navigate these challenging interactions, consider recontextualizing them as opportunities for personal growth, tests of your patience, wisdom, and commitment to maintaining your inner peace. Each moment spent disengaging the turmoil while preserving your composure is a resounding victory in your inner journey. Ultimately, negativity can be likened to an echo. It exists only upon engagement. By mastering the pillars of non-attachment, compassion, and mindfulness, you diminish negativity's grip on your spirit. In conclusion, if this exploration has resonated with you, offering insight or clarity, we warmly invite you to stay connected with our channel. Here, we share more discussions rooted in Buddhist wisdom designed to guide you toward a life filled with peace and purpose. Join us on this transformative journey towards inner serenity. If these perspectives have struck a chord, please like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and take a moment to share your own experiences in addressing negativity in the comments below. Thank you for being with us, and may you carry a radiant sense of peace in your heart as you continue on this beautiful journey of life.